Hello everyone, Nasir here from Financial Markets Club. It's been a while I haven't done a video on crude oil, simply because crude oil has just been doing its thing and just rising as expected. So one of my last analysis, I was talking about how crude oil was around the 100-ish level. We're talking about the Brent Crude here. Obviously, for WTI, it'd be a similar sort of scenario, just the price levels would be slightly different. Brent crude was around the 100-ish level, and we were talking about how this is going to continue going up. My next price level for this, or target, was around the 120, 125-ish level. And quite beautifully, we have got there. We've exceeded slightly, but that's okay. My numbers aren't exactly spot on, they're just there for guidance. But I'm still not me personally, I'm not done yet. I think there's a lot more scope for Brent crude oil to rise further. I want to see it around 130 at least, but most probably I think we're going to see it reach around the 140, possibly more, over the coming months. But the scenario is changing slightly now at the moment. I feel like the price has reached a sort of a critical sort of level, and I think we're going to see a quite a strong push down actually on Brent crude oil. It's risky going short on crude oil because any sort of geopolitical news can sort of push it down. I was waiting for this trend line to be broken, and this was broken literally a couple of days ago. And yesterday and today we've got a small fall just sort of starting. So I think that's my sort of stimulus to go short on the market. I would imagine this to sort of come down somewhere near the 100-ish level again, maybe 105, around there. If it does sort of get to close to 100, then I'd be worried. I'd actually be really worried that, hold on a minute, has something gone wrong? Has something changed dramatically in the market? Because if by any chance we breach the 100 level, then I think the scenario changes dramatically, and I think we could go to the downside. But we're still a long way away from that at the moment. We're sitting around 118, so we've got a long way to fall. Again, it's a brave thing to do, to try and short crude oil at the moment, but I think there's a strong possibility this is going to come down to around 105. So that's what I'll be watching for now, and let's see if that works out. Also, if I could ask you to just throw in a quick like on my video, please, and subscribe to my channel so you can get updates on my videos as they come up. Really appreciate the support, and let's try and grow this channel to help out as many people as possible.